On May 14th of 2022, I released a test video of my brand new panel, the Safehouse 49470. If you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead, check it out real quick. It's a pretty solid test video. Now, when I was checking the video out again, just to make sure that everything was all good and if I didn't need to make any improvements, it made me think, what was my first ever test video like with a security system or fire alarm system? Now, for those who don't know, my first ever test video was with the Simplisafe system. So I went to the back of my channel where I had the Simplisafe test videos. I gave it a watch and it is not good. Not at all. So I actually have it open, so we're going to go ahead and switch over to it right now. So as you can see, we have the video open right here. Simplisafe System Test 1, somewhat crappy test video. Now the thing I also do want to point out, if you see here in the description and it says, video is shaky, sorry. Unfortunately, that this video we're going to be reacting to today is going to be shaky. So if you don't like that, please leave because unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to fix it because if I do fix it, it is going to look terrible, even on this reaction video too. So it's not going to be good. So sorry about that. You can also see here, for some reason, YouTube has disabled my comments. Comment section is clearly open. I should have updated that before. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and hit play on this garbage video. Got the classic intro with a classic name. I like that. Security systems. Fire alarms. Okay, carrying a little bit too long on that clip. Okay, there we go. Tests. Nice. Much more. Okay, here's the thing with doing much more. I don't film anything else besides fire alarms, security alarms, and weather radios. Weather radios haven't been on my channel in a very long time, and that's just simply because where I live doesn't get a lot of weather. So yeah, that's kind of a shame, but weather radios may come back soon, so just stay tuned for that. One other note here with the intro. I have to make a quick note here with the intro. Just because of how the text looks and how the animations are set, as well as the transitions, you can definitely tell that this video was edited in Windows Movie Maker. Now, I do know what version of Windows Movie Maker edited this video. It was Windows Movie Maker 2012. Now, the reason why I did not edit this video in a newer version of Windows Movie Maker was because Windows Movie Maker 2012, at the time that this video was shot, that was the only version of Windows Movie Maker that existed. Unfortunately, 2022 Windows Movie Maker and 2021 Windows Movie Maker, those versions did not exist yet. And if they did exist, I'm never getting them simply because they're paid for. And Windows Movie Maker 2012 is a free software. Versus with 2022, all the features that are in 2012, they're all blocked, and you have to pay some money in order to use it. So that's a stroke of genius of Microsoft right there. Pretty much Microsoft is making you pay for everything now, which is stupid.
Welcome to System Test 2.
Welcome to System Test 2. System Test 1, not System Test 2.
Blur. System Test 1 of the Simplisafe security system. This is the second system test.
I failed it twice in one recording. How convenient.
Hopefully I'm not covering any mics.
And I actually did not know where the mics were on my iPhone 6, and I said that just because I didn't know where they were, and I didn't want to cover the mics because it sounds terrible. And you could see that I also did have a brain here. Wrong, I meant one. I did mean one, and I shouldn't have failed that twice. So this is something that should be retaken eventually.
If I am, please let me know. Currently, right now, we have the thing.
Currently, right now, we have the thing. Which thing? The 6160RF? Or the Simplisafe keypad?
It's on test mode for 15 minutes.
The other note I have to make here, so sorry for so many notes. I don't film test videos for 15 minutes anymore. Or have the system on test mode for 15 minutes anymore because that's way too short. I now have it on for either 30 minutes to an hour. That way I can retake the video in case I screw up because that's how good I am with camera work here. So yeah, if I screw up, I have an hour to take the video. So yeah.
Hold on, I gotta change something.
Oh my. This is something that should be cut out of the video, or at least done before recording. Mm-hmm.
I have set the siren duration. No, not siren duration. Alarm off. System to have the siren on medium.
Oh, yeah, another thing. The siren volume was not on medium because I was doing a system test and I did not want to deafen my ears. That was because that was the only volume I could use on it. If I had any volume that was higher than that, it was quote unquote not allowed in the house. So yeah.
We currently do not have an extra siren yet, but I don't know because of the light.
You don't know because of the light?
I'll move the pictures.
We currently do not have an extra siren yet. I don't know because of the light. It doesn't make any sense.
So I don't have to use any censoring tools.
Oh. Windows Movie Maker 2012 does not have any censoring tools. So yeah, I definitely did a lie right there. I don't have censoring tools. And also the other thing, I definitely had a brain that thought, oh, I could use censoring tools in Wondershare for Laura. Yeah, that software, if you have the free version, they give you A, a watermark, and B, they restrict most of the program. So you're not able to pretty much use the software at all, even though that they advertise saying that it is free and you don't have to pay any price for it. So yeah, that's a stroke of genius of advertising right there. Pretty much a false advertisement there.
Base station.
Mm-hmm. Why'd you tap it like that? That's kind of weird.
Back up again. All right.
Okay.
So we're going to be testing a couple sensors. I'm going to be turning on some lights real quick.
Okay, so this is something that should be cut out of the video here. We should not be filming turning on the lights.
All right, we're going to do home mode. Creaks, my battery is dying. Try to make this quick.
Creaks, my battery's dying. 12-year-old brain right there. Yep.
The keypad did have an update. That's why it sounds different.
Yeah, speaking which, in the pre-test video, that is no longer available on YouTube because of course, trolling reasons. Because I took it down because I decided, oh, I'm just not going to private it. I'm just going to take it down. Just take that. In the pre-test video, we had the old version of the keypad on like with the sounds and stuff like that. The sounds kind of had more of a buzzer tone, and on this update that came with the keypad in this video, the keypad sounded a lot different, and it also added a new sound to it. It was 3 sounds, so yeah, that's pretty cool.
Camera.
Oh, the camera. That's actually a perfect spot for it, you know? And I think I saw something else. Oh, yeah, look at that. There's my fish right there. That fish died. I don't know what happened, but he just was like, he was just like, okay, I quit here, and he left. I don't know why those fishies die so quick, but it's life. Okay, so this is something
I'm going to go ahead and trigger the front door.
As I was saying, thank you for interrupting me. This is something that you should cut out of the video.
Hopefully it is on test mode.
Yeah, it is on test mode, dummy.
There's now 3 sounds on the keypad. All right, we're going to wait
here.
here.
I just said that. I just said that.
When it's about to go off. It's about to go off.
Okay, cool.
That is loud.
On medium volume, it is not actually that loud. On low volume, it's nothing. On medium volume, it's like ear piercing, and then on high volume, it's like loud, and it's gonna obviously like make your ears kind of feel a little uncomfortable, of course. So yeah.
Man, Jesus, that was loud. Base station going off.
No one cares about the thing going off, and it wasn't that loud either.
Front door entry. Whenever it does those 2 beeps, it seems to have it do that. I don't know.
Wait, what? Whenever it does those 2 beeps, it seems to have it do that. What does that mean? Again, I don't know what that means.
Anyways, wait time.
Please exit now.
Alright, let's go ahead and
Oh my god, the camera lag. This is why I should have gotten rid of this camera and should have gotten a new phone at the time, because right now I have an iPhone XS. This video was shot with an iPhone 6, and this iPhone 6 is a terrible phone. It does not film videos too good. It actually films videos very laggy sometimes, and whenever I would do TikToks with this phone, because I did have a TikTok account at the time when I filmed this video, it would start out very crap, and it was not great. So, yeah, that's great.
Act like we're leaving.
Okay, cool. Oh, the door slam. For some reason, the pet door did that. I don't know why. But
It restarts the delay. Now we're going to go ahead and trip the motion sensor.
Oh, wait, it restarts the delay? Let me check that.
It restarts.
Wow, Simplisafe. You just took what Bosch does. Bosch, whenever you open the door twice, I think it's twice. When you forget something, Bosch panels actually restart your countdown so that you can so that you don't get stuck inside the house, and Simplisafe does that too. However, I think the restarting countdown thing is infinite, or I think it only does it once.
Now we're gonna go ahead and trip the motion sensor upstairs.
What the hell?
It restarts the delay. Now we're gonna go ahead and trip the motion sensor upstairs.
Okay, for some reason the video popped. I don't know why it just popped there. Like, it was like, I don't know why it did that.
Look at that.
Clear that mic so it doesn't get any saliva in it. Right. Yes, thank you for transitioning.
I'm gonna jump cut.
Wait a minute. Two transitions in one? Really? Oh my god.
Alright, so the system is now gonna be armed.
Okay, cool. Oh, look at that. The old carbon monoxide detector over there. Yeah, when we moved, we got rid of those. Shame. I like that. I like those carbon monoxide detectors. They were really good. Because the original one, a Kitty Nighthawk, decided, hey, I'm going to go ahead and stop working. So
motion sensor upstairs.
It died like before its end of year. Oh yeah, the motion detector. It was up. It was above the. It was on the overhang or whatever that's called. Yeah, that was actually a perfect spot for it, and I had it set to the highest setting, and it didn't even pick up my cat, even though it has a warning on it saying that it will pick up your pets. It didn't even pick up my very chubby cat. I'm surprised.
There we go.
And the old ceiling fans, the one in the gym, the ceiling fan in the gym really was terrible. It actually broke. Oh yeah, code is 4621.
Man, that is loud. I put it on medium. I don't know why it's so loud.
It's not exactly that loud right now because I'm not sensitive to it anymore, but in this example, I definitely was.
Upstairs motion sensor, triggered alarm, canceled by Pinmaster.
Pinmaster is a terrible name. Rename it, please.
Fire.
Oh, I programmed the keypad to have the panic button as a fire button. The reason behind that was because the smoke detector spot upstairs that was good for that was good for a Simplisafe smoke detector. That spot was already taken by an Ademco 5808 LST that it was never able to take down, and that's it. That smoke detector was connected to the. Of course, you already know what it's connected to. It's connected to this Honeywell Vista 20p, which actually broke. I don't know what happened to it, but it just stopped working on most of it, and it was not fun.
It's not that loud on fire because it sounds like a smoke alarm.
Oh, come on, clear it, please. All right.
We're gonna now trip some direct.
We are now gonna trip some direct. Okay, first thing, cut that out of the video so it doesn't show again. Second thing, why? Third thing. No one wants to see that, because it's embarrassing to have you stutter on camera like that. That was terrible.
Some parameter sensors, which are in the garage in the master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Let's go
ahead and put this on home.
I said master bedroom, not master bedroom. That was a fail, and I didn't even notice it. Oh, look, there's a scratch on the door. Nice. Oh, look. Sorry if I paused the video there. Oh, come on. Look at that. there is my old vehicle. My that was the Infinity QX60. That car was a loaner vehicle, and the Infinity in my area shut down.
Here for about a couple seconds.
Oh, look, the old rug. Look at that. Not that one. No, not that one. That one. Yeah, thanks to my toilet overflowing one time, it unfortunately passed away. Such a shame. It was a nice rug, though.
And we're just gonna wait in here for about a couple seconds. So here's the door. I'm gonna go ahead and open it.
The lighting in the garage was terrible. I have no idea what happened, but for some reason, every time whenever we would replace the fluorescent lights that are in the ceiling, they would just like immediately burn out like after a while. And the one above that car right there, that one was burned out for the longest time.
Just gonna wait in here for about
finally fixed it. Yeah, the one in here is like burned out, and that was a fail. So oh, you can see the original Honeywell sensor there.
Here's the door. I'm gonna go ahead and open it.
Okay, not open it.
I have my favorite sweatshirt on.
Okay, no one cares about the sweatshirt. Continue with the video.
Alright, so these systems should be armed now. I'm just gonna go ahead and...
Oh, you can hear the old air conditioner too. Guess newsflash: we don't have an air conditioner in this house. That's a shame. Everyone else has one except for us. Nice. I jump cut to the door so it won't be boring. We don't need that caption, all right? We don't need that. My dad actually told me that I should not include that caption, and I was like, I think I'll be fine. Excuse me? No.
Alarm on. Side door. Entry sensor. Triggered a recent...
Oh my god, the lag of the camera. Oh, speaking of which, I do say, like, some gibberish here. What I meant to say was, for some reason, the garage side door, like, always would make the base station say, like, oh, the garage side door triggered a recent alarm every time it would, like, trip the system into alarm. I don't know why it did that. I never programmed it to do it, and more importantly, it should have been programmed to do it, but the other sensors, they never did that for some reason. I don't know why that was the case, but I don't know. The system was pretty buggy.
Whenever it's an instant, it can trigger the alarm immediately and also leave a recent alarm. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and trigger the master bedroom.
Yeah, no one cares about it tripping a recent alarm. That's a nice jump cut there.
Sorry for the shakiness. I'm holding this with one hand to prevent mic covering.
Again, I don't know what the mic is on my iPhone 6. I still don't. I do know that the microphones on the iPhone XS are at like the bottom, but I think the microphone on the iPhone 6 was at the bottom too, but it was like a little bit more bigger.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and trigger the entry sensor in the master bedroom.
The hallway is so echoey. Oh, look at that, the old Roomba. Yeah, unfortunately, that Roomba died. It picked up some pet bombs, if you know what I mean.
It's like the Roomba's dead, so.
It's not dead. It just fell into an error.
3, 2, 1. This door is hard to open and close.
Yeah, I hate that door.
I really hate this
sucked.
door.
I think the door jam was like. I think the door jam was too tight.
Alarm canceled. Master bedroom. Entry triggered alarm.
Jeez, don't hit don't hit the keypad so hard. You gotta break the keypad. Not cool.
So, thank you for watching, everybody.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. First things first, I am going to say that video was terribly constructed. It was not really set up the best. If I'm being 100% honest, the good editing didn't start until the end of the video. So yeah, whatever that decision was, that was a genius decision there. Not, and I do mean not. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. And if you like other security stuff, come back on the 7th or the 8th or something like that, because I may be posting an unboxing video. So yeah.